I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Dang! Oh, I also like to highlight the top of my lip. Okay, not that much, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Tarte spray. Oh my, dang. Series of college stuff, which I'm so excited about because that's what I wanted to be. That's what I've want. That's like when people watch my videos, they're like, "Whoa, she looks like a mess," and then I finally like get it to look how I want it to at the end. And you're like, "Oh, okay, like that's better." So I just finished making this 4th of July look, and when you see me looking over the camera, it's because I'm looking in this huge mirror that I decided to place behind it so I could really see myself, because I couldn't really see myself in this mirror that I have down here. But yes, I'm pretty excited on how it turned out, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. I'm wearing this 8312, you can't really see it, but 8312 raspberry Framboise Artisan Color Baked Blush that I picked up from Walmart. I picked up the CoverGirl Quad Palette in the shade Fresh Picks, and then it's in French, but I'm just going to be using the blue for our red, white, and blue look. And then I picked up a red eyeliner. I picked up a white eyeliner. But I got a dual in blending brush. It was probably like $2, so go check out Rite Aid if you live in my city. It's over there by the mall. They're having 50% off sale. Everything's probably going to be gone by the time I post this, but they were having 50% off sale. So we're going to start off with, I'm going to do red on the outer, white, and then blue. Start off with this raspberry color. 832 raspberry something something. Looks like that on. Just easily, we're gonna work our way in there. Like, we're not going to, ooh, let's go ahead and conceal our eyes first. We did not even do that. What is going on today? I just use concealer by the LA CoverGirl. I already did my face, my powder, my contour, my highlight, all that off camera, just to save us some time. Not making this video long because we know that the reason for this video is the eyes, not really anything else. Sorry if I'm like looking over and up, it's because there's a huge mirror behind me, and that's what I'm using instead of using my little mirror that I usually use. I'm just gonna use the camera behind me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, pack some on there, and start building that into my eyes. So I'm just packing this in on the back and then pushing it up to the front in my crease. I go ahead and spray the Tarte. This is like in every video. Like every video that I've ever done makeup wise has this in it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in there. This just helps for the application to pick up more color because it is the 4th of July and we really want every color to pop. So I'm just smudging that into my crease, more on the outside, crease, outside. And I know this said this was gonna be like a drugstore video, but I think I am gonna be using my Morphe palette just for better glitter red, because I know it has better glitter red. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color just to go on top. Oh yeah, America. I'm going to go ahead and use this white Revlon. I don't even have these things opened up. They should probably be opened up, right? Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow in 7, can you see it? 750. There's like a button down here. Oh, a brush. Okay. Go ahead, Revlon. But I used to have these when I used to watch like Makeup by Mandy 24. Okay. Let's see. It looks like this. I'm just gonna put that in the middle. But I don't want it to blend like pink, you know what I mean? Because we're putting white and red next to each other, but I don't. I'm just taking this with my finger and putting it all up here in the middle. So it can be red, white, and then blue. Go ahead and blend this because I feel like I look like a clown. And then we're going to go ahead and go in with our blue from CoverGirl. Don't worry, like, I know it looks a mess right now, but I'm gonna clean it up and all that good stuff. So I got this, and it says 735, so maybe that's the color. Like, that's what you call it. And it comes with its own brush, but you know, I'll be using my own. I'm just putting that on my inner corner. Remember one time I went to, and don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up and all that. But I remember one time I went to Sephora and it was Cinco de Mayo and she had the colors of the Mexican flag on her lid, like, and it was so pretty. So we're gonna follow that same pattern on our bottom lid. Just go in and apply some more. I'm just gonna start from the inner to the outer. More blue. The white, are we gonna use? Let's use this thing again. You're going to go over the red, just patting it on. I like to put it over the white so it makes it look like the white is just right here. I'm gonna go in with the NYX pigment. I've never really used anything like this before, so let's see how this is supposed to. I'm just putting it on here, I guess. It's like a whitish gold, which I'm fine with. And I'm guessing, well, I do have a cream eyeshadow on, so it should stick to it. We're just doing it all. So we got some blue glitter going on in here. Ooh, way prettier than the white one. All right, now let's apply a little bit more highlighter. Gotta love highlighter. There we go, it wasn't even going on my face. This gives us more of a dewy look. Let me put my hair down. So whenever my hair dries, it goes down, or it goes up, and I like to like pull it to at least make it stay somewhat out, you feel me? I wear lashes every time I wear makeup, so I can do a video on how to just apply lashes because not a lot of people know how to apply them, and it's kind of crazy to me, like, how do you not know, sis? But if you don't, which a lot of people don't, and it's okay if you don't know how to apply lashes. If you don't know how to apply them, then I can always post a video of just how to apply lashes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This is my first time ever trying to recreate a 4th of July look, so just bear with me please. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And it's almost back to school season, so that means I'll be posting my apartment haul. I've been racking up on some stuff from my apartment that I can't wait to show you guys. Been saving lots of money, getting good deals. And then an apartment tour will be coming after that. Just a whole bunch of college series that I'm going to be doing. So see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.